Hi guys, today I'm going to make this owl shape logo. So first of all, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to view, click on rulers and then show rulers. Now click and drag to bring horizontal and vertical rulers inside of your artboard so that intersecting point of the rulers make the center point of the artboard. Now lock the layer and go to new layer, add stroke color. Now go to ellipse tool and click anywhere in the artboard, make the width and height of the ellipse 100 and click on OK. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag to make multiple copy of the circle. Now move and place the copy of the circle on the horizontal ruler like this. Select the circle. Go to reflect tool, press and hold Alt key and click right at center of the artboard. Make the axis vertical and angle 90 degree, click on copy. Now select another copy of the circle and place on the intersecting point of the other two circle like this. Now select the whole shape. Go to shape builder tool. Click and drag to merge these extra lines. Now go to ellipse tool and click on the artboard and make the width and height of the ellipse 250 and click on OK. Press and hold Alt, click and drag to make a copy of the circle. Now place a copy of the circle on the shape like this. Now select the circle and go to reflect tool, press and hold Alt key and click right center of the artboard. Click on copy. Now select the whole shape. Go to shape builder tool, press and hold Alt key, click and drag to remove these extra curves. Now click and drag to merge these extra lines. Now go to selection tool, select the circle and place on the shape like this. And place a big circle on the shape like this. Now select the big circle, go to reflect tool and press and hold Alt key and click center of the artboard. Click on copy. Now go to selection tool and select everything. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag to remove these extra lines. And click and drag to merge these lines. Now select the whole shape. Now go to ellipse tool and make the width and height of the ellipse 250 and click on OK. Now go to selection tool, click and drag to place the ellipse on the shape like this. Go to reflect tool and click right at center of the artboard. Keep the angle 90 degree and click on copy. Now select everything. Go to shape builder tool. Press and hold Alt key, click and drag to remove these extra curves. And simply click and drag to merge these lines. Now go to ellipse tool and click on the artboard and make an ellipse with width and height 15. Click on OK. And place the ellipse on the shape like this. Select the circle, go to reflect tool and click center of the artboard. Press and hold Alt key, click center of the artboard, click on copy. Now select everything. Now go to ellipse tool again and make an ellipse with 25 points. Click on OK and place this circle center of the other circle by using smart guide. Now go to reflect tool, press and hold alt key, click center of the artboard and click on copy. Now select everything. Go to shape builder tool, press and hold alt key, click and drag to remove these extra curves. Now select the whole shape. Go to shape builder tool and click on fill color and add appropriate color in the whole shape. Now unlock the layer 1 and delete the rulers. Now select the whole shape again and remove stroke. Now your owl shape logo is ready. Thank you very much.